What's up? I am Chef Bradyn, and I have disappeared from this channel for a while now. I went on vacation to Italy to practice the culinary arts of pasta and diarrhea. Wait, that's not right. Anyways, I also watched some anime for food, cooking. But today I am going to teach you how to make macaroni and cheese. This is a very spicy meatball. It's kind of hard to make. I wouldn't recommend making it from scratch for all you novices. So let's open this thing up. Ooh, satisfactory. Makes me want to eat the macaroni even more.
You're gonna get sick if you do that.
Will you be quiet, you stinking agent? Okay, gonna open up the cheese. Let's make sure I don't get any on the carpet now, because that would be a pain in the butt. I better pour in some more cheese. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna pour in the macaroni now. Take off the cup of the macaroni. Sorry, my brain transplant didn't really go very well. My arms are kind of moving on their own. In Italy, I had some problems with it. I tried to open a doorknob, but I accidentally tried to hit on some girl. You know, that's okay. I'm gonna pour some water, liquid ice. I got it from the new member of Wing in Sky. She's a bunch. I mean, she's very nice. Alright, that looks like enough liquid ice. Buy from your local retail store, or from me. Now I'm gonna mix it all together with my hands, very gently. Listen to the sound of the packets hitting against the bowl, and the macaroni mushing nicely with the cheese.
Macaroni doesn't mush cheese.
We'd like to interrupt this broadcast for a very special announcement. Right now, we are selling Brant. See, Brant is Brant, and Brant does Brant things. Now, if you want to get a Brant, it's only $1. You know, Brant's very good at doing Brant. Isn't that right? Hands down. Well, if you'd like to take us up on this offer, please call 1-800-BUY-BRANT.org.
So, during the commercial break, I went ahead and took care of the agent. I have locked him up in a fish tank and he'll never be able to return.
I'm still here.
Alright, anyways, we heated up the macaroni a little bit, and now we're gonna eat it. On the package it does say to heat up the macaroni for 3 to 3.5 minutes. So do that, and we're gonna have a little taste test. Here we go. You know, it's very good. No, it's great. It's great. It's great. No. I am a master chef. Everything I make is a masterpiece. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you've learned something, give me your praise. I don't know when the next one is going to be. I might take another vacation. I'm going to focus on my chef studies. So goodbye. Agent, get us out of here.
I'm taking you out now!